So, hello, Abha. We are the students of Goa Institute of Management. First of all, thank you from all of our sides for joining this meeting. So, I'll tell you what is the agenda of the meeting. So,
Sure,
we
sure.
have an assignment, HR, Human Resource Management assignment, in which we have to know the training and development program of any company related to banking, insurance, or financial services. So,
Sure.
that is our agenda of meeting. So we are the flow of the discussion is that we'll ask we have assigned we have gathered some of the questions that we are going to ask you and you'll provide the answers. Is it okay for you?
Sure, sure. Perfect.
Okay, thank you. Then let me ask you first question. So can you please tell us about something about yourself and your experience in the Union Bank of India services?
Okay, sure. So, hi everyone. My name is Abha Patil. I am from Thane, Maharashtra. Currently, I'm working as an HR executive in the operations department at Union Bank of India Services. So, Union Bank of India Services is a wholly owned subsidiary by Union Bank, which handles like all the business. UBSL actually handles all the business side of the banks, and we sell different kind of products like education loan, MSME loan, home loan, vehicle loan, etc. Overall, I have 2 years of experience in HR, and I have handled different verticals like recruitment, grievance handling, employee engagement, onboarding, background verification. Uh, Currently, I'm working in the onboarding and background verification department in UBSL. That's it.
Mm. Hi, Abha. So my next question is, uh, can you tell little bit about your bank's current HR functions and strategy?
Sure. So we have majorly 7 departments. Like in HR, also we have 7 departments. Starting like when the position opens, recruitment team takes action. Uh, they have like source different candidates through different portals like Naukri.com or LinkedIn, and interviews are scheduled. Once the candidate is confirmed, pre-background verification gets initiated. Except employee like uh, like all the checks include residence check, your education check, professional check, board check, and all. And after background verification, the candidate gets onboarded on the confirmed date. During the time of onboarding, they have to fill some documents. That is your compliance documents like PF forms, gratitude forms are there. And after that, your induction gets done. After induction, within 2 days, 3 trainings are given to the employees. First is the POSH training, second is the code of conduct training, and third is the risk training. Okay. After that, the payroll function comes into action. Uh, all the salaries, incentives of the employees is taken care by the payroll team. Then HR compliance team is also there. HR compliance handles the PF forms, the gratuity part of the employees. Insurance is there, that is handled by the compliance team as well. All the compensation and benefits part and risk is handled by the HR compliance team. Okay. Then also we have a HR like training and development, that is L&D team, learning and development it is known as. So all the trainings that I told you about, that is handled by the L&D team. L&D team is also responsible for employee engagement as well. So in the office, we also have fun Fridays on all, and all the festivals are celebrated to boost a positive environment in the office. Um, and that is it. These are all the functions of HR that we have at UBISL. Okay.
Hello, Abha. So could you elaborate more on how HR department function after training and onboarding? Like what are the roles?
After training, you mean like employee life cycle you are saying about?
After training and onboarding, what is the procedure? What is the role of HR department?
Okay.
It will be finished after just training, or it will be like there in organization for some time. Like,
No. After training and development, a buddies are assigned to the employee. So he'll explain, the sales manager explains all his roles and responsibilities. As I told you, it's majorly the business part, like sales part of the Union Bank, right? So the manager trains him regarding all the functions, and he is sent to the field for work directly. So after all these trainings, he can work directly. The training is of 1 week only.
Okay, great. So, is there any kind of mentorship program that helps the employees during and post the training?
Currently, we don't have any mentorship program.
Okay.
Only the product training that I told you about, that is conducted every 6 months by the regional heads.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
only that is given, but no specific mentorship is there.
Okay.
So one other question is that we want to dive deeper into the what is training and development program. So can you tell a little bit about what is the training, how it starts, duration, what are the different trainings that are given to the employee?
So basically, training and development at UBSL is conducted on only 2 days in the week. So once the like the L&D team gets data from the operations team about who are the new joiners, that name and mail ID specifically, and the schedule is sent to them. Within 2 to 3 days of their onboarding, firstly the induction is given. Induction consists of the leave policy, your code of conduct, your dress code, how you're supposed to be in the office, what is expected, who is the team, who are the CXOs, managing directors. Company's information is given basically in that. After that, post training is given. Post training is also mandatory, and it is given after every 6 months. Everyone has to, like even if you have attended it, you have to attend it after every 6 months. Okay. So POSH training, POSH, full form of POSH is prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. So it includes like what is expected out of the employees, what are their rights, uh, just to make them aware about all these things. POSH training is given. The second one is code of conduct. In our code of company's code of conduct, there are policies regarding gift. Since salespeople are there, if the like if the client is happy or something, they give a certain kind of gifts or incentives to the salespeople. Right? So taking off anything is not like not acceptable in the organization. So in the code of conduct training, all the ethical part is covered. What is expected out of the employees and what is not expected out of the employees. So that training is given. Third is the risk train, the legal side of the training. Uh, so there are many legal aspects how the data should not be leaked or anything, how you can prevent that. So the salespeople are made aware of these kind of things because the client's information is confidential, right? So what measures we have to take to make to keep that confidentiality and all. So these are the three kind of trainings given. And fourth training is the product training that is given by the regional heads of the of every region basically. And in that, product knowledge is given. So for example, if vehicle loan is the topic, all the employees of the vehicle loan vertical will be trained regarding the like about how to sell those products, how you can more efficiently do, and basically that. And it is conducted after every 6 months. So that is the tag for that 6 months.
Okay. So is there any kind of training and development programs post probation period that you have at the Union Bank Services?
No, nothing in specific. After probation, no trainings as such is given. Only a confirmation letter will be provided based on performance of the employee.
Okay.
Or if, in case of sales, also many people are issued with PIP if they are not able to perform. So that is, but no
Okay.
trainings as such are provided.
So, Abha, is there any problem that you faced during training and development program?
Training and development. Okay, so we have a learning management system in our organization, LMS. So all these trainings that I told you about, all these modules are also uploaded in that software, and every employee has to attend these sessions regularly. But these are not video modules. These are just PPTs that they have to go through. And after completion of after going through the PPT, there are also quizzes that are there. So once you complete the PPT and also the quiz, then you also receive a digital certificate for this training, that you have completed the training. But the drawback is that uh, the questions that we have are same for every employee. So we are not able to make sure if the employee is, copying the answers or something like that. So malpractices can be there just because we have to complete the training. The employees can copy the answers. So if that's the drawback. If we handle give random questions to all the employees, so that can be that.
Got it.
So as you said, like there are some malpractices. So is there any feedback mechanism for this training which the employees can give to improve the training programs?
Feedback forms are there, but the probability of people taking it seriously is quite less. So
Okay.
no real feedback can be taken. From our
And
end, to make sure that everyone attends the sessions, we send a mail to the reporting manager saying if the employee has attended or not. And there are specific trainings that the employee has to complete. So mail triggers are sent to the reporting managers to ensure that the employees complete the feedback, complete the trainings. So just to complete the trainings, also most people just randomly give the test and they don't care about it. But it has to be taken seriously because it is for their improvement only.
like how are they judged during the training? Like after the training, is there an assessment or it's just the quiz that you told about?
It's just the quiz that is a
This is the
few
quiz.
of,
Okay.
5-6 questions are there and it is.
Okay.
Okay, so we understood the problems in the training and development program. So as an employee, can you think of some possible solutions that might be implemented within the organizations related to training and development?
In training and development, mostly the first thing that comes to mind is first is the soft skills training. It is not mandatory for the HR, for the salesperson to speak in English or something, but the local language is also there. But ethics should be maintained in the workplace because they are representing the bank, right? So ethical training and how to behavioral training, basically, that should be given to the employees. Second is as I told you, the employees don't take the test or training part seriously sometimes. So measures to improve that should be taken as well by giving a bit hard assessment test, or random questions should be given and not same questions should be given to all the employees. So these measures can be improved.
Okay, that was the all the questionnaires that we had. Again, I would like to thank you that I mean we knew the concepts theoretically. Our professor taught us all the things, but we wanted to get the practical things that are actually happening within the industry. So it was a kind of a good experience and good session interacting with you. So thank you from all of us.
Thank you for having me.
Also, yes, also if you want to share anything other than like what we discussed, you can share it.
Yeah.
No, nothing as such. I guess we have covered all
Like
the points.
talking
I
about
hope you've
yeah.
understood how the training and
Yes, yes.
development starts and
Yes,
what
yes.
all modules are there. If you have any doubts, you can contact me again. No
Yeah,
worries.
sure.
Sure, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Abha. Have a good day.
Thank you.
And you.
Thank you.